Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session we have discussed the concept that is based on integers. Now we are going to solve some questions based on the topic. The very first question is, which of the following is true? The sum of three different integers can never be 0. We'll check one by one. The sum of three different integers. Let's take three different integers. What do you mean by integer? Positive number and negative number 0. Right? See here, three different integers I am taking. -2, 4, 0. The sum of three different integers can never be 0. That means -2, sum means -2 plus 4 plus 0. This is the first case. -2 plus 4, that is plus 2 plus 0, this is plus 2. This is non-zero number. For example, if I take another case, that is second case, which is -4 -2 plus 2. If I take this case, let's check whether the sum of these three integers is 0 or not. -4 -2 plus 2. -2 and plus 2 is cancelled. -4 is the result here. So this is also non-zero number. Let's take another one, that is -4 plus 4 0. These are three different integers. That means, so here three different integers are there. Those integers are -4 plus 4 and 0. Now we have to check the whether the sum is 0 or not. This is -4 plus 4 plus 0. -4 and plus 4 is cancelled. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Here the result is 0. That means the sum of three different integers can never be 0. That is wrong. Here in this case this is 0. Okay. So this statement is false. Let's check the next option. The sum of, this is a positive integer. Sum of positive integer and its negative is 0. That means, for example, positive integer, let's take plus 5 and its negative is -5. Sum of these two numbers obviously 0 only. So this option is correct answer for this question. Right. Let's move on to the next one. On a number line, -15 and +15 are at the same distance from. Already we have discussed what is number line. So here let's take one number line. Zero here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like this. This is -1, -2, -3 and so on like this. Right. See here, for example, -15 and +15. Instead of these two numbers, let's take a very small example, -2 and +2. Okay. Now see, from 0, the distance, from 0, the distance. Okay. Here, from 0, the distance to -2 and +2 is the same. So, we can conclude that on a number line, -15 and +15 are at the same distance from 0 only, not -1, 1 or +1. Okay. Let's see the next one. The sum of these three, the sum of these numbers we have to find. That means, write in this manner, -373 plus 20 plus -3 plus -5 plus 5. First remove the brackets. -373 plus 20, bracket means into, that means plus into minus, that is -3 plus into minus, -5 plus 5. Here plus 5 and -5 will be cancelled. Now 20 minus 3, this is plus 17. This is -373. Different signs, so we have to subtract them. 373, usually we subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Here 17, subtract them. So we get 13 minus 7 is 6. Here 6 1 6 1, that is 5. Here 3. So 356 is the answer. So here bigger number is having minus sign. So we have to put minus sign to the result obtained. So here answer is minus 356, that is option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. For all non-zero integers a, b, c, a into b minus c equal to a into b minus a into c. Already we have discussed distributive property over subtraction. Okay, property over. This property is called distributive property over subtraction. What is distributive property over addition? Distributive property a into b plus c equal to, we have to multiply ab plus ac. This is distributive property over addition. Here in this question it is given distributive property over subtraction. So answer for this question is option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. The value of these three numbers, the product of these three numbers we have to find. First find the product of the constant values. Here 2 into 5, 10 into 30. 10 into 30 is 300. Now multiply the signs. Here my 5 is having plus sign. If no sign is there, that means plus sign. Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So answer is plus 300 is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next one. The quotient of 35 divided by minus 7. So here 35 should be divided by minus 7. 7 ones, 7 fives. Here 5 by minus 1 is the answer. That means minus 5 is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. The value of minus 37 minus of minus 15 minus 2 is. First write the values here. Minus 37 minus of minus 15 minus 2. Minus 37, bracket means into, minus into minus, that is plus 15 minus 2. Whenever you see the bracket, first remove the brackets. Now see, first 37 plus 15 minus 2. First see, same signs, minus 37 and minus 2. Same signs means we have to add the numbers. This is minus 39 plus 15. Different signs means we have to subtract. Usually we subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. That means 39 minus 15. Here 4, 3 minus 1, 2, 24. So higher magnitude is having minus sign. So we have to put minus sign to the result obtained. That is answer for this question is minus 24, option 2. Okay. Let's see the next one. The value of 22 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here same, the product we have to find. First multiply the constant values. 22 into 3, that is 66. 66 into 2, 2 6 12, 2 6 12 13. So 132. 132 into 1, 132 only. So now we have to multiply the signs also. Here it is having plus sign. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So we have to put minus sign to the result obtained. So answer for this question is option 4, that is minus 132. Let's see the next one. In this session, we have discussed the questions which are based on the previous concept what we have learned in the previous classes. In the next session, we are going to solve few more questions based on this topic. Thank you for watching.